The concept of magic has been shrouded in mystery and misconception for centuries, often relegated to the realm of fantasy and fiction. However, the true essence of magic, as understood by the ancients, is a profound and transformative art that lies dormant within each of us, waiting to be awakened. The ancient civilizations of Egypt, China, India, and beyond developed sophisticated practices to harness the energy that flows through all things, recognizing the power of the mind and spirit to shape reality. It is important to note that the origins of magic can be traced back to the legendary figure of Tehuti, also known as Thoth, in the ancient Egyptian civilization of Kemet. Tehuti, revered as the god of wisdom, writing, and magic, is said to have brought the knowledge of magic from the fabled land of Atlantis to the fertile banks of the Nile Valley. From there, this sacred wisdom spread to other parts of the world, influencing the magical traditions of India, China, and beyond. In ancient China, the Taoists recognized the existence of a subtle yet powerful energy that permeates all living beings and the universe itself. This energy, known as qi or qi, is the fundamental force that animates life and underlies all existence. The Taoists believed that by cultivating and mastering the flow of qi within the body, one could achieve remarkable levels of vitality, longevity, and spiritual enlightenment. To better understand the concept of qi, imagine your body as a vast network of rivers and streams, with qi flowing through every cell and organ, carrying the essence of life. The ancient Taoists developed practices such as qigong, tai chi, and acupuncture to navigate and manipulate these subtle currents, promoting balance, harmony, and optimal well-being. By tapping into the power of qi, they were able to attain heightened states of consciousness and manifest their desires in the physical world. Listen, the first step is to cultivate an awareness of the qi within and around you. Begin by finding a quiet space where you can sit comfortably and focus on your breath. As you inhale, visualize a stream of luminous energy entering your body, filling every cell with vitality and nourishment. With each exhale, release any stagnant or negative energy that no longer serves you. As you continue this practice, you may begin to experience subtle sensations, such as tingling, warmth, or a gentle buzzing. These are signs that you are awakening to the presence of qi and are ready to delve deeper into the art of ancient magic. In the mystical traditions of ancient Egypt, the power of intention was revered as the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. The Egyptians believed that the world we experience is a direct reflection of our thoughts and beliefs, and that by aligning our intentions with the will of the divine, we can manifest our deepest desires and transform our reality. Tehuti's Hermetic axiom, as above, so below, as within, so without, beautifully encapsulates this principle, suggesting that the macrocosm of the universe is mirrored in the microcosm of the individual. By focusing on our inner world and harnessing the power of our thoughts and intentions, we can effect change in the outer world. The ancient Egyptians developed a sophisticated system of magic known as hekau to align the mind, body, and spirit with the creative forces of the cosmos. One of the most potent tools in the practice of hekau was the use of affirmations and declarations. By speaking their intentions out loud with conviction and emotion, the ancient Egyptians believed they could imprint their desires onto the fabric of reality, setting in motion the manifestation of their goals. It definitely worked for them. To explore the alchemy of intention in your own life, start by gaining clarity on your deepest desires and aspirations. Ask yourself, what kind of reality do I wish to create for myself and others? What qualities and experiences do I want to manifest in my life? Once you have a clear vision, craft affirmations that encapsulate your intentions. For example, if you seek to attract abundance and prosperity, you might declare, I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. Opportunities and resources flow to me effortlessly and continuously. Speak these affirmations out loud, infusing them with emotion and conviction, as if they have already come to fruition. Feel the power of your words resonating through every cell of your being, aligning your energy with the vibration of your desires. As you continue this practice, you may encounter resistance or doubts arising from your subconscious mind. Embrace these challenges with compassion and persistence, knowing that each repetition strengthens the power of your intentions and brings your dreams closer to reality. Across the world, ancient cultures have long recognized the power of symbols and sacred geometry to evoke specific states of consciousness and connect with the divine. From the intricate mandalas of Tibetan Buddhism to the cosmic dance of Hindu yantras, these sacred symbols serve as gateways to the infinite, allowing us to access realms of awareness beyond the confines of the physical world. In the Native American tradition, the medicine wheel holds profound significance as a powerful symbol representing the interconnectedness of all life. Divided into 4 quadrants, each associated with a cardinal direction, a season, and an element, the medicine wheel serves as a map for understanding the cycles of nature and the journey of the soul. By meditating on the medicine wheel and its various components, Native Americans believed they could align themselves with the sacred rhythms of the earth, tapping into the wisdom and guidance of their ancestors and spirit guides. Similarly, in the Celtic tradition, the mesmerizing knot patterns adorning ancient manuscripts and stone carvings are believed to possess potent magical properties. These intricate designs, with their endless loops and intertwining strands, symbolize the eternal flow of life and the interconnectedness of all things. As you begin to work with sacred symbols in your practice, take the time to explore the imagery and iconography that resonate with you on a deep, intuitive level. Trust your instincts and allow yourself to be drawn to the shapes, colors, or patterns that hold a special significance or energy for you. Once you have identified a symbol that speaks to your soul, begin to incorporate it into your daily rituals and meditations. Create a physical representation of the symbol, such as a painting or a piece of jewelry, or simply visualize it in your mind's eye as you focus your intention. As you work with the symbol, remain open to the insights and guidance that arise. Pay attention to any sensations, emotions, or images that come to you, trusting that the symbol is serving as a conduit for divine wisdom and inspiration. With dedication and patience, you will begin to develop a deep, intuitive understanding of the language of sacred symbols, harnessing their power to support your journey of personal transformation and spiritual growth. Remember, the key is to approach this practice with an open heart and a willingness to listen to the whispers of your soul. In many ancient traditions, the elements of nature, earth, air, fire, water, and spirit, are revered as the building blocks of creation, the primordial forces that shape the world around us. By understanding and working with these elements, the ancients believed they could harness the power of nature itself, using it to heal, transform, and manifest their desires. In the Western esoteric tradition, the practice of elemental magic is often associated with the 4 classical elements, each corresponding to a cardinal direction and a set of spiritual qualities. Earth in the north represents stability, grounding, and material abundance. Air in the east symbolizes intellect, communication, and mental clarity. Fire in the south embodies passion, transformation, and vitality. Water in the west signifies emotion, intuition, and spiritual cleansing. To begin working with the elements in your own magical practice, start by creating a sacred space that honors and invokes their presence. Set up an altar with representations of each element, such as crystals for earth, feathers for air, candles for fire, and a bowl of water for water. As you sit before your altar, take a few moments to ground and center yourself, feeling your connection to the earth beneath you. Then, begin to call in each element one by one, visualizing them as swirling streams of energy that fill your space and infuse your being. As you work with each element, pay close attention to the sensations and impressions that arise. You may feel a sense of stability and rootedness when working with earth, or a rush of inspiration and mental clarity when invoking air. Trust your intuition and allow yourself to be guided by the unique language of the elements. It is crucial to approach the dance of elemental magic with reverence, humility, and an open heart. These are powerful forces of nature that should be treated with the utmost respect. Before beginning any elemental work, take the time to educate yourself on the proper techniques and safety precautions. Seek guidance from experienced practitioners and always listen to your intuition. Remember, the goal is to work in harmony with the elements, not to control or dominate them. As you become more comfortable with the dance of elemental magic, you can begin to use this practice to support your intentions and manifest your desires. For example, if you are seeking to bring more passion and vitality into your life, you might focus on working with the element of fire, visualizing yourself surrounded by a brilliant, transformative light. However, always keep in mind that the power of the elements should be used responsibly and for the highest good of all. Take a moment to reflect on the profound wisdom and transformative potential that lies within these teachings. From the invisible force of Qi to the alchemy of intention, from the resonance of sacred symbols to the dance of elemental magic, we have delved into the heart of a tradition that has the power to reshape our lives in ways we never thought possible. Yet, the true magic, the real secret of the ancients, is not found in any external technique or practice. It lies within you, in the boundless potential of your own consciousness, in the power of your thoughts, your words, and your actions to shape the world around you. As you continue on your path of personal transformation, remember that you are not alone. You are part of a lineage of wisdom seekers and magic makers that stretches back to the very dawn of human history, to the legendary figure of Tehuti in ancient Kemet. By connecting with this ancient wisdom and applying it in your own life, you are tapping into a source of power and guidance that transcends time and space. You are awakening to your true potential as a co-creator of your reality, a living embodiment of the divine spark within. Remember the words of the great sage Tehuti: "That which is above is like that which is below, and that which is below is like that which is above." May you find the courage to embrace your inner divinity, and may you use your magic to create a world of beauty, harmony, and love. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery and transformation. May the magic of the ancients always be with you, guiding you, inspiring you, and reminding you of the incredible power that lies within.